Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope you are all doing well. Everyone is talking about the new Spider-Man Brand New Day movie. But before a single Muslim spends a penny on a ticket, there is something critically important that needs to be understood. This is not about superhero entertainment. This is about where your money actually goes and whose hands it ends up in. Muslim communities and human rights activists around the world are calling for a complete boycott of this film, and the reason comes down to one name. Let's break it down. Avi Arad is not a background figure on this production. He is the head producer, the man who sits at the top of the financial chain and collects the largest share of the profits this franchise generates. And his background matters enormously in this context. He is a former IDF soldier. During the devastating military campaign on Gaza, he publicly opposed ceasefires and voiced active support for Israeli military operations. This is not speculation or rumor. These are documented public positions taken by the man whose bank account grows every time someone buys a Spider-Man ticket. When you sit in that cinema seat, a portion of your money travels directly up that chain and lands in the hands of someone who looked at the bombing of Gaza and said, "Keep going." That is the transaction. That is what a movie ticket to this film actually represents. The question some people ask is whether a boycott actually changes anything. The answer backed by history is yes. Studios operate on projections and profit margins. When a major anticipated release underperforms because of organized community action, it does not go unnoticed in boardrooms. It triggers conversations about association, about risk, about whether empowering certain individuals comes with an unacceptable financial cost. Hollywood responds to money, or the absence of it, far more reliably than it responds to moral arguments. Thousands of people collectively deciding to skip one film sends a message that no press release or petition can replicate. And for us personally, the sacrifice is genuinely minimal. 2 hours of a superhero film. The price of a cinema ticket and some popcorn. Against that, on the other side of the scale, are children in Gaza without food, without clean water, without parents, without homes. The choice, when framed honestly, is not a difficult one. Let our money reflect what we actually stand for. So brothers and sisters, let us make our choices count. That is it for today. What are your thoughts on this boycott? Drop them in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. Until next time, be safe.